If you need to share a Lucidspark board quickly, I'm going to walk you through the 2 easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to invite specific people directly from the board and how to create a shareable link that you can send anywhere. This is a super useful workflow if you're collaborating with teammates, clients, or classmates and you want to control exactly who can view, comment, or edit your board. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Lucidspark board you want to share in your web browser. Once your board loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue share button. This is the main sharing menu and it gives you full control over how your board is distributed. If you want to share with specific people, this is the best option. In the sharing window, you'll see a field where you can type a person's name, email address, or even a Lucid group if your team uses one. As soon as you add someone, Lucidspark lets you choose their access level. You can usually set permissions to edit and share, edit, comment, or view, depending on how much control you want them to have. If you want them to fully collaborate, choose an editing option. If you just want them to review the board, choose comment or view access instead. After choosing the right permission, click Invite. That sends the board access directly to the people you selected. This is the cleanest method when you know exactly who should have access because it keeps your board private and organized. It also helps you avoid accidentally giving access to the wrong people. Now let's go over the second method, which is perfect if you want to share the board more broadly. Instead of inviting individual people one by one, you can generate a shareable link. To do that, click the share button again in the top right corner if you're not already in the sharing panel. Then switch over to the Link tab. This is where Lucidspark gives you link-based sharing options. Next, turn on the Shareable Link option. Once that's enabled, you'll see additional settings that let you decide who can access the board through the link. In the Users drop-down, choose the access group you want, such as anyone with the link if you want the link to be broadly accessible. Then, set the permission level to edit, comment, or view, just like before. This part is really important, because the permission setting controls what people can actually do once they open the board. If you're working with a group that only needs to leave feedback, comment is usually the safest choice. If you're sharing with a team that needs to actively build the board with you, edit is the better option. And if you just want someone to review the content without making changes, view is the way to go. Once everything looks right, click Copy Link. You can then paste that link into an email, Slack message, text, or any chat platform you use. That makes it incredibly fast to share your Lucidspark board with people outside your immediate workflow. It's also helpful when you're sending the board to someone who doesn't need a direct invitation. So to recap, if you want to share Lucidspark, you have 2 solid options. You can invite people directly by name or email from the share button, or you can create a shareable link from the Link tab and control the permission level there. Both methods are simple and both give you flexibility depending on whether you want private collaboration or fast public sharing. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.